Once again, let's talk about Solana. So now Solana in the past 7 days have actually hit about 24% increase in price. Solana is really pumping right now, and in the past 24 hours, 3.40%. Now remember, Solana is still ranked number 10 crypto coins with a market cap of about $9.7 billion. One thing I love about Solana is that their supply, circulating supply, they have just 392,337,593 SOL coins. Now all-time high. Remember, this coin was trading at $260.06 as of November 6th, 2021. So Solana have really dropped. Solana have lost almost $234 or $236 in the past few months. As of November 6, it was trading at $260.06. Now, all-time low of Solana was on May 11, 2022, when Solana was trading at 50 cents. Then started rising all the way from 50 cents down to $260. Now, since then, Solana actually hit about 4,836% increase in price, all the way from 50 cents to $260. Now, $100 investment right now on Solana. Remember, so many people predict this coin will hit back at its all-time price. Now, I want to talk about the all-time price of Solana. If you decide to invest $100 investment at the time of recording this, you will get just 4.012 SOL coins, and it will return about $943.34 if Solana hits back at its all-time price of $260 at the time of recording. That should be about 943.34%. That is Solana hitting back at its all-time price of $260 will return 943.34% at the time of recording this. So with this, simply means $100 investment will return about $943. You'll be making a profit of about $843. But can Solana hit back at its all-time price? Yes, it is very much possible for SOL to hit back at its all-time price of $260. Remember, to see a lot of people believe Bitcoin that already hit about 30,000 will definitely hit back at over $66,000 its all-time price, and it will also drag so many coins to at least, I believe, if Bitcoin is sitting at $66,000, Solana might be hitting between $130 or let's say $100 to $150. So I believe yes, Solana also can still hit back at its all-time price, bringing a profit of about 943% increase in price, which is still a good investment for me. Let's hope for the best, and I believe Solana still remains one of the best crypto coins. And if you miss on Solana, don't miss out on some coins that we believe that can really hit a massive increase in price. Keep watching our videos, and please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decisions.